Welcome back everyone, and let's continue with this series on Python. So it's functions part 9. Can you imagine 9 parts of a single topic? Yes, if it's complicated but easy, it would have 9 parts. So let's get started. So in previous videos we have discussed about how to get the number of even numbers from a list, and we have also learned anonymous functions and lambda. So we're gonna do today that only. So you can see I have made a list. I'm reshooting this video due to some errors. So we need to first make a variable named evens is equal to so today we're going to work with 3 functions which are filter, map and reduce. So we use filter. As the name suggests, filter, we're going to filter all the even numbers and take out comma list. Okay, but we don't have a function code known as evens. So let's make a function like this: def even like this. Then I can write lst, then return I. But no, I can do like this. I can say that I can just like I modulus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, now I'm gonna print evens. Okay, and now let's check. Oh, filter at object. This is, everything in Python is an object, but for this we require list to tell if it is a list or not. Like this, a bracket around here and a bracket around here. And now as you can see all the even numbers. Let's check 2, this 1 2 3 4 5. Yes, these 5 only. So this is filter function, and we can also use this by lambda. As you know, lambda, we had talked about that also. Right, lambda a, then a modulus 2 is equal to 0, comma. Now it's fine, we have created a lambda function, and now I'm going to erase this also. And now let's run the code and see what will happen. Yes, it worked. So as I talked about lambda also in anonymous functions, now let's talk about map. So I've seen that in my videos. So it's written functions in Python part this, and so I've thought that I can write comma what's the topic from now on. And I've written this video also that the topic is filter, map, reduce. So we're talking about lambda, map. So what is the use of map? So the map, if you use, like, if I have the list over here, and if I want to double each value or add 3 to each value, like 2 to the 4, 56 to the 112, I think I'm right, 4 into 2 is equal to 8, 8 into 16, 2 into 4. Yes, and we can do that by map. So what we're going to do, I'm going to write double is equal to list map, oh spelling error, comma, and let's make a function def double. So that's the beauty of function, that we can make them double x. But if this statement is removed, then the function will be, damaged. If it's not a damage, it will not work. Return x into 2. Okay, so I'm going to do like this. I'm going to say update, comma, so no, double. I want to update in further, and now as you can see I've done double, and now we have the list evens, and now let's run the code. No, I think I have to print doubles. No, double. Oh, why? Oh yes, it worked. My calculations was fine. So I will also use by lambda, like first let me erase this, and then I can do like this. Lambda a into 2. Now let's check, and you can see it worked. So now let's use reduce. So where will you use reduce? If I want to take the sum of the whole, and how can we take out the sum of a number of multiple digits? We first add two numbers, like 1 and 2 plus 4 is 116, 106 plus 8 is 1 to 4, 1 to 4 plus 16 is 140, and 140 plus 4 is 144, which is square of 12. And you can see that here we need to add first these two numbers as I did, and that's where we use reduce. So I can say name of variable sum, which is reduce. Then I am not writing list over here, as we need a single value, not a list. So what we will do, I will do here, yes, I will make a function over here. Oh, wait a second, when I said map, there was no red line, but here there is a red line that says that there is an error. The error is that reduce is not there in Python. It comes from a module which is functools. So say from functools, yeah, that's fine. This import asterisk, as if I need anything in the future from this module, I can get it. So reduce, yeah, now it's there. And another function named def is the update a comma b. There should be sum. I use these functions many times, so I forget where to use this function, as update has no relation, I think, with sum. So return a plus b. Okay, so now I'm using sum, comma, was this double. And let's check. No, first let's print. I think I can write it as sums. Now let's check. I hope my calculation is fine, and yes, it's fine. So I got it, and I'm going to also do it by lambda like this. And now let's run the code and see. Yeah, it worked. Yeah, it worked. So I'm gonna end the video here only. So that's why we work on filter map reduce. So if you like the video, then please press the like button, and if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, so what are you waiting for? So I'm gonna see you next time. Till then, bye bye.